Hey guys, welcome back. Joseph Palmer here. Two of my kids and I just got done putting together this nice fire pit. I'm going to sit next to it. I'm going to enjoy a beer. You guys hang in there, watch the video, and see how we turned an old well pressure tank into this nice natural stone fire pit. Do me a favor. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you already have, hit the notification bell. Like the video when it's all over with. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. And please don't forget to share this with your friends. I think we had a lot of fun doing it. I think my kids actually learned a little bit about what we were doing, hopefully. They worked really hard, and now we have this nice stone fire pit in our yard that we can sit around with our friends and enjoy. Here we go, guys. Enjoy the video. The center of the fire pit, we're actually going to use this old well pressure tank. Now, this has only had water in it. You can see it is an actual tank. They say it's epoxy lined. I don't know. We'll see. But as you can see, I've got a line right here. Yeah, right there. I don't know how well that's showing up. Where I've actually measured up from this weld on the bottom of the tank, and that will make it 18 inches. I'm going to leave this ring on here so that's something to sit on. It'll make it 18 inches from there to there. But I want this on the inside. That way, whenever I need to clean out the ash, I can just lift this out of the center of the pit, take it and dump it, and we can go from there. So I'm going to set it up. I'm going to set it up in a time lapse real quick. We're going to take the torch. We're going to cut the bottom of this tank off. Now, if this has had anything flammable in it, I would highly not recommend doing that until you made sure all the vapors were out. Generally, fill it with water first and then cut it, or find a different way to do it. But this is just a water tank, so we should be fine. Before I get too far into it, it's already got a pipe over here that's open. It's got a pipe on the top that's open, and I'm going to go ahead and torch that bung out over here before I get too far into this. That way, I don't have to worry. I've got plenty of area for heat and fumes to escape. Cut it through, but there's a lot of slag because this does have an epoxy liner in it, and with the epoxy liner, it was holding a lot of the what should have been blowing through was getting caught by the liner before the liner could burn off. That is what it's going to look like. You can see I cut the two big bungs out here. Oops, got another one. And then I cut all the little windows in it because you got to get air to the bottom of the fire to get a good burn. But that way I get some fresh air. And then I didn't want to put any holes in the bottom because the idea is that I'll be able to lift this out to take it and clean out the ash. So I just torched a couple of small holes here so that the water can drain and I don't have water pool up in here and rust it out and breed mosquitoes when we're not using it and that sort of thing. So now that that's done, here in a minute we're going to go get we're going to find some rock so that we can build a rock wall around the outside But this will keep the rock from getting too much heat and cracking, and it'll make it nice and easy to clean out so we don't have to try and get down in the rock and scoop the ash and everything. Cardboard in here, we gathered up some sticks, and we're going to light it. We got it out away from the house, and we're going to light a small fire in here to try and burn the paint off the outside and any of the remaining crap off the inside. To get rid of that paint. So we'll let it sit here and cook, get good and hot. It'll get rid of the paint, and while it's burning down, we're going to go start gathering up rocks to build the ring around the outside of it. Bless you. And again.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know, you need all the help you can get, right? No.
Even after it takes the paint off?
No, it's just burning it. The paint's flammable. This is not heat-resistant paint on this thing because it was never designed to get hot.
Oh, the paint's boiling. That's so cool.
Yeah, it just bubbles off. So. So, this is, we got a load here. Now, we got to try and get it back up the hill so we can get back into our field. Hunter's up there, and there's a little shallower spot back here, but I probably should have turned around before we started loading up. This might be interesting. Here goes.
Keep it pointed at him. I need to get this. Keep it pointed at him. He needs this in his video. Let's go off the edge.
There we go.
And golf clap. With a highly intelligent. Golf clap, golf clap, golf clap. I'll walk away from you. Yeah. Ah.
Yeah, it's boiling. See, what's happened is it's so hot, so when it hits, it boils on the surface, and the rest of the water, for lack of a better term, just bounces off.
Oh, yeah.
This is what it ended up looking like. Hunter helped out. So did Josie over there. You can see we've got a nice little fire going in it now. We had a few extra rocks, so we stuck them around the outside edge, so we've got something that we can kick our feet up on when we're sitting around a fire pit. But it turned out really nice, and it was just some stone that we found on our property and an old well pressure tank that I had that was waiting to go to the scrapyard, and we made a nice fire pit. And you really can't even see the pressure tank in the center, but it will actually allow me to be able to lift it out to clean the fire pit out when we're done in between fires. So do me a favor, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you on the next one.